If your Toyota won't start, electrical issues may be to blame. Check for a weakening or dead 12-volt battery. Inspect your terminals for corrosion or use a multimeter to check the voltage and replace your battery if necessary. If you drive a hybrid or electric Toyota, you have a high voltage battery that powers the motor. A no start state may mean that your high voltage battery is depleted. Have a professional check it for you. Lastly, the starter motor is a common culprit for a non-start. Listen for a clicking sound when you turn the key and check to see if there are any loose connections. You can also use the multimeter again to see that the starter is getting power. If you need to replace any electrical components on your Toyota, visit parts.olathe.toyota.com for OEM parts at wholesale prices today.